Could you please provide an overview of Maxim PT, including its mission, services, and key initiatives?
So, the Maxim PT, our setup in Pune, has been operating since 2014. And the initial starting point was to help the customers in their manufacturing by providing them tools and stencils and fixtures so that they can easily overcome all the challenges they are facing for manufacturing, especially for electronic assembly. And that is what we've been doing over the years and developing ourselves in terms of our products and to kind of support the manufacturing in the customer, support the customers in manufacturing in that region.
What kind of partnerships do you involve yourselves in to support these customers?
So essentially, as we have seen over the period of time, a lot of development and technology and production on throughput and automation has been increasing over a period of time. And at all times, we have been working along with our customers to see how we can upgrade our capability and capacity so that we can support our customers. And the more we interacted over these years, we understood that the whole manufacturing scenario is changing. And therefore, there is a lot of need of a special expertise in terms of automation, special expertise in terms of testing, and end-of-line solutions. And then these are the areas where the customers are facing a lot of challenge. So we felt, okay, this is one area that we would like to really invest on, because at the end of the day, our existence is only around supporting the customer and their requirement.
Where have these joint ventures put you now in the recent times?
Like I said, we were also looking into who are the possible partners who we can associate, because we always work very closely with our principals, and Maxim PT then had a discussion with Controller, who are one of the leading companies in this business, operating out of Spain and Portugal, and also a few other countries. And they had this knowledge and technology with them, and they have been in this market where they have a lot of exposure on automation, end-of-line solution, and testing. And so we thought it's a good mix for us to have this joint venture with them, so that we can together, along with Controller, work and provide solutions to local Indian customers who are also ramping up their manufacturing and need very state-of-the-art kind of solutions.
Can you tell us a bit about Controller and your journey over the past 30 years?
Controller has been a leader in automation and test system solution for over 30 years, with a presence in Portugal, Spain, Malaysia, Mexico, USA, and now India through our joint venture with Maxim PT. We built on reputation on technological innovation, customer services, and the passion of our engineers. Our focus has always been on providing tailored solutions to industry, particularly electronics and automation sector, helping them increase and meet evolving challenges.
You've recently expanded into the Indian market with Maxim PT. Can you tell us more about this joint venture and its significance?
Yeah, absolutely. Maxim PT has been a trusted name in the Indian market for 10 years, specializing in fixturing, in stencil, and also in mechanical toolings. With this joint venture, we are combining the strength of European innovation and precision with deep understanding on the markets, Indian market with Maxim PT. We are not just expanding our footprint, we are enhancing our offering in automation, especially in the areas of test, solution, and also automation or production, which I think and we think, like company like joint venture, are very, very critical for both automotive and electronic markets here in India.
India is a very different market as compared to Europe. How are you planning to adapt your technologies to local needs and challenges?
India is indeed diverse, okay? And that is something that we have taken into our heads from the beginning. Our approach is to combine our global expertise with a deep understanding of the local needs, like Maxim PT has here. We work closely with our Indian team and Maxim PT to ensure that our solutions are adaptive for local expectation or local industry. From a smaller one to big enterprises, our goal is to offer a scalable solution that can be customized to fit all the expectation that Indian markets already have. Different without any different from the size and even the budget. So that even a smaller company can go and can benefit from our automation. By combining controllers' expertise in automation and Maxim PT's local knowledge and insight, we are offering solutions that are not only advanced but also competitive, shorter lead time, and tailored to meet the specific needs of Indian industries. This includes everything from processes, production, and offering more sophisticated electronic testing solutions.
How do you see the joint venture different to other similar companies in the automation field?
I'd say it's a combination of global and proven expertise that we have and local presence. We are not just bringing our technology, European technology, to India. We are integrating it with the experience and knowledge that Maxim PT has built over these 10 years or more than 10 years in the Indian markets. Additionally, we are committed to customer service and close collaboration with our partners. We work side by side with them to tailor solutions that meet their unique needs. And that level of dedication is something that we believe sets our company apart, or sets the joint venture apart.
What is this joint venture's roadmap for the future, say for the next 5 years?
Well, we are very optimistic about the future. Our aim is to become the leader in automation in India, helping our industry here to transition to be more efficient and with automated systems. We see huge potential in both electronics and automotive sector, and we are confident that this joint venture will be a key player in driving innovation and solution in these industries. Over time, we expect to expand our offering and continue to support Indian businesses in achieving new levels of productivity and competitiveness.
How will this joint venture with the European company benefit the Indian market, specifically in terms of technology and innovation?
So, as the India is expanding its capability on production and technology, definitely there will be a lot of roadblocks because traditionally we have not been uh, able to scale up the manufacturing in the past many years as we would have required to. With the controller joint venture, what we see is that we will be able to address all the challenges that the manufacturers are going to face, as controller has a long experience in this industry and in this manufacturing requirements of the industry. And combining this strength, we will be able to offer this strength to the customer, which is very local in its solution and very local at the price point as well.
What are some of the key products and services you'll be focusing on as part of this joint venture?
Yeah, so like I said, automation has a lot of range, but our joint venture with Controller is especially looking at end-of-line solutions, where your end-of-line testing, end-of-line automation, and also a lot to do with how the PCB is handled at the end of the manufacturing line. So it could be in terms of testing, it could be in terms of fixtures, it could be in terms of box build, and also it could be in terms of having some handlers to handle the production of the PCB under assembly.
How does this joint venture benefit your customers in India?
Yeah, so we have a good relationship with the Indian customers already, having an experience of over 10 years. And then we have seen them grow, and their test requirements have also grown, and their manufacturing requirements have also grown over these years. And through controller, like I said before, we will be able to kind of tap into this huge knowledge and database and experience. And this experience, when translated to the Indian template, will help our customers quickly overcome all the obstacles in their manufacturing and help provide a solution which is tailored to their local Indian needs.
Any parting notes for our audiences?
I think we are really looking forward to the future. We are really looking forward to collaborate and make a valued impact on the customer in terms of bringing a lot of value, technology, know-how from controller, which is beneficial to the customer. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Thank you.